G'day, here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. We'll just go in a bit closer. First bit, a couple of faces of opal there. Material backing's quite hard, so it should polish up quite well. Next bit, this is the best piece in the deal. This top should come off, I think. You can see the reds, pinks, greens through here, and that's the seam comes through. So this, I think, should all grind off and end up with a much larger stone than what you can see in the screen. Material's hard again, so it should polish up quite well. This face here is mostly just potch, white porcelain. A couple of little seams on the end here. I just threw this piece in. You might get something out of that. And this piece, electric greens, blues on the end here. And again another little pocket there. See, there's a bit of red there somewhere. Showing, there it goes. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed those. Cheers.